Hello everyone, today I will run the Hive project on TryHackMe, and first what you need to do is to start the attack box or to be connected through your VPN, and I will see you now. The better is to start the machine, that you don't need to wait later on it, and you can download the task files that we'll do later. And after that we are moving to the task 1. Welcome to the Hive project outline. No answer needed. Introduction. Basically, the Hive project is scalable, open source and freely available security incident response platform designed to assist security analysts and practitioners working in SOC, CERTs and CERTs to check, investigate and act upon identified security incidents in a swift and collaborative manner. Security analysts can collaborate on investigations simultaneously, ensuring real-time information pertaining to new or existing case, task, observables, and ISCs are available to all team members. So basically here are how the Hive project operates, and under the guide of the 3 core functions. After that, moving on to task 3, you can read through this one. I will just answer the question: which open source platform supports the analysis of observables within the Hive? Is Cortex. After that, moving to task 4, using profiles and permissions, and basically here saying us what the pre-configured users profiles are: admin, organizations, admin, analyst, read only. They are the permissions, and here are the permissions and functions, and they saying us deploy the machine attached to follow along on the next task. Please give it a minimum of 5 minutes to boot up. It will be best if you connect to the portal via this link on the attack box or using your VPN connection, just like I said. And just copy. So this is the attack box. So this is not my machine, it's the attack box, to make it clear. And here is the username. Some of the problems with machine. It should be working for HTTP. Remember guys, it's never easy. It's never easy to do anything. And why is now this doing to me, I don't know. Yeah, this is the IP10, 10, 116, 61. Bad gateway. And now it's working. Okay, so it started a little bit later. So now we are using the username and the password. And now we are in the Hive program, and they saying us which pre-configured account cannot manage any cases. It's admin. Which permissions allows a user to create, update, and delete observables. That it should be this one. Which permissions allow a user to execute actions. Execute actions is manage actions without to. After that, moving on analyst interface navigation, and basically they saying us You have captured network traffic on your network after suspicions of data exfiltration being done on the network. This traffic corresponds to FTP connections that were established. Your task is to analyze the traffic and create a case on the Hive to facilitate the progress of an investigation. If you are unfamiliar with using Wireshark, you don't need so much Wireshark in this room. Please check out this room first and come back to complete this task. So download files, I downloaded it, and once an analyst has logged in the dashboard, they will be greeted with the screen below. At the top, various menu options are listed that allow the user to create new cases and see the tests and alerts. So basically they're saying us to go to the new case, and we see here title, and here this is severity, TLP and PEP. See severity, this showcases the level of impact the incident being investigated has the environment from low to critical levels. This is this one, to low to the critical. TLP, the traffic light protocol, is a set of destinations to ensure that sensitive information is shared with the appropriate audience. The range of colors represents a scale between full disclosure of information white and no disclosure restricted red. So you can find more information about the definitions on the CSI website. So here is the website, and here is the more information. And basically this is this one, TLP, from white to the red. And the PEP, the permissible actions protocol, is used to indicate what analysts can do with the information, whether an attacker can detect the current analysis state of or defense actions in place. It uses a color scheme similar to TLP, and this is part of the MSP taxonomies. And they here created a one case, and I will do the same what they did in this picture. So title, it should be suspected over FTP, suspected data exfiltration over FTP. This is not now important too much. I will just like that let. And text, I say data exfiltration, enter, and then FTP. Case description, a suspected data agent breach on a host conducted over FTP, and here are the case tasks. So investigate source and destination IPs. Oof, I did it. And tasks, this is FTP, here's the tasks. I will add more tasks, so I forget that. Do it should be work. Identify data source. Yes. Add more tasks. And one more was this one. Because it's not loaded first time. Text title. Just like that. And now you can assign this action if you want. So if you're seeing here new case, my task, writing tasks. So this is waiting tasks, so you can assign one. I will take one, and they're saying as my tasks. And after that, if we go into dashboards, this is my case. If we opened it, and we can now add TTPs. Oh, how I know that? Because they already did it. I think here on this picture, like this, TTPs, then a TTP, and then you can add the title, testing acceleration, and then they make it like acceleration over alternative protocol over encrypted non-C2 protocol. Okay, I will do the same. TTPs, TTP, acceleration, techniques, they choose this one, HTTP, and after that observables, they have the IP, and here is the source IP FTP request. Okay, observables, add observable, and I need now to find the IP, and how I can find it with help with this FTP pickup file. So we go to the file, we need to investigate that file and to get to the IP. So that will open with Wireshark because it's the pickup file. And we can see here that we have TCP, FTP, and here is the IP. 192.168.23.42. So this is the IP. So observables, add observables, type should be IP, this is the IP, and after that we can make it white, green, amber or red. I will let it amber, and the tags, source IP, and after that FTP request, and description, this IP address initiated the FTP request to access the file server. And now we have observables too. Here's the my task, here's the waiting task. Anybody from the company, organization, or can take these tasks. That depends on the severity. Here's the dashboards, and if you go to the Hive, here is our tasks. It's open 6 minutes from now, and basically we have here some informations, and that is all what they did here. After that, where is the TTPs imported from? And this is imported from the Mitre site. I hope so that I pronounced that well. It's Mitre Tech. Framework. According to the framework, what type of detection data source would our investigation be classified under? And I found it like this. I go to the Mitre site. The one is I need to find the original one. Yes, this is the one, and I go to the data sources, and this is the answer is the network traffic. How I know that is data transmitted across a network, and they send us file, and we have the file, and I captured as raw data in analyzable format x pickup. So we have pickup file. Network traffic, true. Upload the pickup file as an observable. What is the flag obtained from this link? And they think as basically, if we go here and go to observables, we already update this one, right? We already update this one. And if you go to this site, you think, hey, I will get now the flag. Now you should be get the flag. If you go like this here, and you should be get the flag, but nothing. Okay? If you go to the pickup file from before, and you say, hey, okay, I will FTP find, this is all the FTP. I will go FTP data. And now we get, hey, I have here flag, I see the flag. But in this packet, I don't have the flag in full flag. So another one packet, flag FTP or FTP is not FTP, and you think, oh, maybe it's this flag. No, this is not the flag, because in the text they saying us we need to find the flag obtained from this link. So this is not the flag. And after that you think, oh, how I can find it? Go to observables, and again add observable, and you need to type here file. Only with file you can update here the file and get the flag. So drop file, go to the home, FTP pickup, open, and now we have the file. And you guys see, you can here take as FTP data like this data, and here this is the file. This is the pickup file for task. For example, for flag, for task. Okay, and now create observable. And you now created observable, and after that you are clicking on this here, copy, and try now to do this with this link, paste, enter, nothing. Sometimes it didn't work, I don't know why. I will do just this, and it basically saying us files flag HTML. So one moment. So observables, FTP pickup, yeah, we are here, and then files flag.html, flag.html, and now we get the flag. So I think basically if you go and if you go just like this and click on that, it shouldn't work. You need to manually take this, manually to type. So if you're going like this, to show one more time, hey, I'm going to take here, you need to be in observables, and you're saying, hey, I'm going here to paste. Now it didn't work. But if you're going like this, files, and then I always forget files, flag.html, flag.html. Now should be work. Yes. So that is all for this room. I hope so that I helped you and explained you. This is the easy room, but you only get need to get familiar with this room. You don't need to extra learn it, because maybe you will not using it in your company, but it's okay to learn it and to know the basics of the site. So that is all. I hope so that you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.